Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing a Clara the Cupcake Squishmallow. Let's start off on the center of the page and draw two little cute eyes. One right here and another one to the right. Once you have both eyes, let's add in a little highlight. And let's color in black. That's looking good. With the eyes done, let's add in two little eyelashes on each side. 1, 2, 1, 2. And with the eyes done, let's add in a little mouth to start. Right here in the middle. Simple little eyes. And Clara has some blush, so let's add one on the right, a little blush right here in an oval, and on the left. With the face done, let's move over to the whole body. Let's go on the left side of the eyes first and then draw in one side of the face, and on the right, the other side. With both sides of the face done, let's connect it on the bottom, like so. That's looking good. And before we connect to the top, we want to add the cherry on top. So to do that, we're going to draw in a circle. And this is going to be our cherry. And then we need a little stem, like so. Let's just leave it like this and we'll color it in a bit. Now let's connect it to the top. Let's add in 2 sides to it. And for the top, it is frosting, so we could add in our frosting layer. Let's draw in some U's, like so. And this layer is going to be the frosting. And on the frosting there's sprinkles, so we just want to draw a few sprinkles across. A little bit more to fill it in, and I think that's looking good. And since it is a cupcake, we need the bottom of the cupcake, so let's go across, all the way across to the bottom. Straight line, and let's add in some of these panel lines to split the cupcake, the ribbings on the cupcake. And that's looking really good. Now all we need to do with our drawing is to add some color. And there you have it, Clara the Cupcake. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.